A poll of 100 voters was designed to find out how voters kept up with current events. 65 watched the news on TV, 39 read the newspaper, 39 listened to the radio, 20 watched the TV news and read the newspaper, 27 watched TV news and listened to radio news, 9 read the newspaper and listened to radio news, 6 watched TV news, read the newspaper, and listened to radio news. Fill in the numbers in each region of the Venn diagram, and then answer the following questions. So I'm going to put the TV on the left, the newspaper on the right, and the radio on the bottom. So we want to start with the center and then work our way towards the footballs and then work our way outwards. So 6 did all three. So 6 goes in the center. 9 read the newspaper and listened to the radio news. So this football is worth 9. So to get this region, we need to take 9 and subtract 6, which gets us 3. 27 watched TV and listened to the radio. So this football is worth 27. So we want to take 27 minus 6 to get 21. 20 watched TV and read the newspaper. So this football is worth 20. So 20 minus 6 is 14. Now I'm ready to work on the circles. 39 listened to the radio, which means this circle needs to total 39. So to get this region, I want to take 39 and subtract these numbers. And that gets me 9. 39 read the newspaper. So to get this region, I want to take 39 and subtract these numbers. And that is equal to 16. 65 watched the news on TV. So to get this region, I want to take 65 and subtract these numbers. And that's equal to 24. Finally, to find the outside, we need to take 100 and subtract all of these numbers. And that is equal to 7. Part A says, how many people kept up with current events by some means other than the 3 sources listed? So this would be the outside, or 7. Part B says, how many people read the paper but did not watch TV? So this has to be inside the paper circle, but outside the TV circle. So that would be the 16 and the 3. Which is 19. How many people used only one of the 3 sources listed to keep up with current events? So these would be the numbers that are not in any of the intersections. So the 24, the 16, and the 9. Which is 49. And then finally, how many people watch news on TV and read the newspaper but do not listen to the radio? So because it has the word "and," this is the intersection between TV and newspaper, but it has to be outside of radio. So the intersection of TV and newspaper would be right here, but because it has to be outside of radio, it's just going to be the 14.